Hey guys, it's me, Millie here, and today I'm going to be playing YouTuber Tycoon Dennis. Oh yay! I think I want to be Dennis. I don't know. Can I be Dennis or what? Yay! It's Millie Tycoon. Okay. So all I need to do. I have no money or anything, so that's free. Let's get started. So what is this? Buy pay. What's that? Oh, I see now. Some of them can be. I have no kills because I have no sword. Oh, by the way, I got a new MacBook Pro. I got MacBook Pro, or you can say a laptop. Don't care which one you say. I'm trying to save up for buy mobile one. I'm trying to buy do you know where the lasers are by the door? That's what I'm trying to buy, but thing. So I'm Dennis. I have to be Dennis. So if I get 100, I'll have only 75. So I'm gonna do that. Yes, I do want 75. So I like that sound. Do you like that sound, guys? 118. Yeah. That was my dad.
Hello?
My dad. Anyway, guys, I got this. Whatever it is. Do you know when you get them on your hand? Megan done it for me, so buy a logo for the. I don't have a bloom enough. But that much. Right, buy level 1 for 100. Oops. Oopsie, no, it was me, it was up over there. So, if I buy 200, it will equal 85. So, 85 will come up. Okay. Okay, so I don't have enough yet. So I don't have any swords or anything. So after that, I'm gonna buy this. No. That, but I'm... Bye. I don't know who that is, but yeah, guys. I think what Megan done is nice. My dad walked in. my dad's walking. I'll have 200, after this, I'll have 226. I'll do it. 226. Here we go. 226. As I know. You stay away from my building! Sorry, I went overboard then. I went a little overboard. Oh, I forgot I can do that. I forgot. 100, I'll have 71. Not happening. Well, maybe it will happen, but it won't happen too. Mama's gonna take the puppet down. If you please subscribe to Maisie Daisy D. I'll link it in the comment down below. I never link anything in the comment down below, sorry. But I will when after I do all these videos. I'm very busy doing the videos. So yeah. Stop in the name of the law. Yes. Yes. Okay, guys, I'm gonna actually lie down. Sorry if you can't really see me, but you can see the game, so ha. That's what I just made up. If you actually, I'm not gonna say that. Get away! Just kill me. No, I'm not gonna kill you because I have no knives. But I will in a minute. Ready? I'm not ready. I don't want to. Wait a minute. Guys. Someone's hurting me. Someone has to help me. Help! All I want for Christmas is Bum Bum by Dennis Post. I'll tell you what I'm buying. Buy a red YouTube play button. Buy a screen. You know what I mean, like them, yeah. Buy a snowball cannon. Okay. Buy Dennis Poster. Oh, they said that. 2 subscribers. I don't know. Buy a. Shall we be a 2 AE? Guys, I might have to. Okay, can I move? Yeah. Sorry, guys, I just needed you to wait for a bit. Ooh, I got loads of money though, baby. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Sorry, that was my personal baby. I know it's beautiful. Beautiful. Buy a red YouTube play button. I'll do that. Whoa, that was big. Oh my god. That's my first ever YouTube play button. And if you want me to give you a give out or anything, Like, do you want me to give you slime? Well, you can link down the comment down below if you want slime, or yeah, just slime. Cause I do have this slime kit. I will show you. I will show another video. Oh, something just happened. I will show another. Sorry, guys. I will show. Someone killed me. Stop smacking my bum bum. You freaking what? You were trying to mess with me, bro. You don't want no getting into. You don't know what you're getting into. He's gonna be. Just go away. All I need is your plumbing. Go away. Blimmin, 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 blimmin. Okay, bye. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm going to end the video here, so bye, guys.